Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. So Bonk has been down, and I think we're just about to reach the end of this downtrend. We're very, very close to this support line, which is down at 1690, and you're sitting at 1934. So basically, I do see just a little bit of more push down like this, and probably from here, that's where you have your trend line. Now, of course, if you start to break below the trend line and move up and then touch and retest, that can actually create even more chaos and for you to try to go to the downside. So you have a channel that is in play at the moment. So follow the channel, right? And follow this channel as well if you're new. So two channels you have to follow. And I would actually say first follow my channel and then you can follow this later. Okay, I understand. Okay, just follow this one, all right? Don't follow my channel. I'm gonna be mad at you for 2 seconds right there, okay, if you don't do that. Now anyways, thing is, if you come here down, retest, I think this can be a nice good place for the buying bids, okay? If you do place some buying bids over there, that can actually prove to be better, because it seems like you're already down 62%, maybe even 64%, and that's a discount, right? You can even get 10, 20, 30% if the market starts to recover back up. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.